You think that is dangerous because you don't know anybody. If you want to feel safe in society, learn who your allies are, which is everybody. Because sometimes I feel like my only friend is the city I live in, the city of angels, lonely as I am. And you know what? I don't feel that lonely because I meet people every day. I try to remember as many names as I can, and I don't have a goal of meeting a certain amount of people, but when I see somebody and I see something, a conversation piece, some type of opening where I can start a conversation, or if I hear them say something or whatever, I mention it. See something, say something. The way to feel less lonely is to see something and then say something. So you like somebody's hat? Hey, I like your hat, right? And today I had this experience where it was quite different, and I've been having a lot of quite different experiences because I've been acting quite different, and it was really amazing. I was on the bus, and I know it might sound small to you, but I don't think it will sound small. I want you to know this. So everybody's like, oh, it's so dangerous out here. No, it's not. The world is not a dangerous place. It's the way that you perceive it. You think that it's dangerous because you don't know anybody. You think that it's dangerous because you've only had well, not only, but you've had too many bad experiences and not enough good experiences, and you don't think about it and you're not grateful for it. You need to meet more people. God put us on this earth to meet people. Okay, so it's not dangerous, okay? So number one, I was homeless for the longest time, so I know it's not dangerous. I know that even the people that are dangerous are not going to be dangerous to me because I acknowledge them and I'm good to them and I don't put off weird, fearful vibes, okay? So, but I'm on the bus, and one of the things I've been doing lately is taking my headphones off, which is scary to me. I feel all that crazy energy. I get nervous. I had a panic attack on Friday when I was going to the Rookie, okay, for the background. And I had to travel a long way on the bus. There's no way I'm walking there. It's too far. And I wouldn't make it on time, okay? But I had a panic attack, but I still keep on trying, and I still take my headphones off because I know that the number one thing that we all need is communication. We need community, okay? I started a conversation with a guy. I didn't want to start it with this guy because, a lot of times guys, they want to flirt and stuff. But I say hi, and, I saw an opening, like I said, a conversation piece, because he had a tag on for Albertsons. He works at Albertsons, one of my favorite stores, and I told him about it. And then I asked him his name. We had a good conversation. I asked the bus driver her name, and then I get off the bus, and I said, now you can remember when you see me, say my name, right? You can say, hi, Liberty, what's up? And so they probably won't remember, but that's cool. I'll remember their names and I write it down. I usually remember anyway, but lately I'm like, I'm not taking any chances. I'm writing these names down because I need people on my side, So anyway, I leave the bus. I go to Ralph's. I told him I'm going to Ralph's, go shopping. Now I'll go shopping. I'm getting ready to leave. And I thought, I didn't want to do it, but I'll go talk to this. I see this Starbucks guy, and he told me he's a musician. I said, you look like you're a musician. You sing, right? And he did. And he started talking to me about it. And this was months ago. Anyway, so I finally showed him my YouTube channel. I was telling him to connect with me outside of here. And so as I'm getting ready to leave, this guy comes by and he goes, hey, Liberty, how you doing? And I was like, do I know you? He was like, yeah, I saw you on the bus. Right? And I asked him, what's your name? And so I was like, thank you for saying hi. Right? I don't want to say his name. Not like, anybody could be that name. But anyway, the point is, show love. Okay? If you want to be loved, then show love. If you want to know people, then get to know people. Go ask them their names. The best thing that you need, if you want to feel safe in society, is learn names, learn people, learn who your allies are, which is everybody, because everybody is out looking to do good things, and they're looking to do good for you because it makes them feel good. It makes them feel loved too. So go out there and meet some people. Beep, beep. I'm rich, baby. My name is Liberty. If this episode helped you, please share this with a friend and watch these episodes right here. If you want to feel safe in society, learn names, learn people, learn who your allies are, which is everybody, because everybody is out looking to do good things because it makes them feel good. It makes them feel loved too. So go out there and meet some people. You're worth it.